plenty of batting to come as well. Dhruv, Pradeep, they all can bat, all can chip in. It's important how these two lay the foundation. And if you're on the net, you can also log on to www.youtube.com/CCL. You can get all the relevant information which is required.
The team owners, the CCL directors, all those people have been involved with this CCL season 2. They're all there. So Shiva from the pavilion end, the slow in-swing bowler. So the idea is to take pace off the deliveries so that it is not easy for Rajiv and Bhaskar to score runs, which is a good move. Tactically a well worked out move. Drives straight to the fielder.
Shiva replacing Jiva from the pavilion end. Everyone's getting confused. There's a runner out there in the middle. He's running for Bhaskar, who suffered from the cramps on the field when he was fielding. And he's bowled in. That's the big wicket they wanted. Look at the bowler. Well, he's celebrating it in style. The big wicket they've got. They can't believe what has struck them. Well, it's the wicket of Rajiv, who tried to go over the top and missed it completely to be castled.
So the strategy has worked. It's a slow in-swing delivery from Shiva that has done the work. Rajiv goes back for 5. It's 23 for 1. So it's Dhruv who comes out to replace Rajiv. So the big man is back in the hut. He played some splendid match-winning knocks for his side. Rajiv, he's back. So they require the other players to come out and win the game for the Bulldozers. Dhruv is one of them. Technically a correct player. They need to build a partnership here.
Dhruv is the guy. He's here because this is what happened. Couple of deliveries back. Tried to had a big hoik over mid-wicket. Slow in swing from Shiva. Did the business for them. Chennai Rhinos, they know they've picked up a main man. But this man in your screen, he can also bat. He came in at a critical juncture yesterday in the match against Mumbai Heroes, and he really gave them the momentum that was required to build an innings in the first innings.
One can expect change in their strategy. Pace of this run chase is bound to differ now. Goes quite well. He finds the fence. So runs are coming thick and fast. After 3 is 27 for 1.